The Saflo range of infusion sets have been designed for subcutaneous infusion, most usually in conjunction with a syringe driver or an infusion pump. Specifically, these devices have been manufactured to meet the requirements of needle safety legislation, which was introduced in 2013. In this short video, we're going to look at the operations of the Saflo catheter system. Before use, it is important to take note of the device lot number, which is clearly printed on the label of the device itself and on the box in which the device is delivered. This is important to make sure it is possible for the manufacturer to investigate any problems which may have been reported with this batch. Firstly, peel back the label and remove the device from the packaging. To prepare the device for use, it is necessary to advance the needle into the forward active position. To do this, move the blue slider forward until you hear a click, which indicates that the device is locked in the active position. You should prepare the infusion site according to your local procedures. When ready, remove the orange needle protector from the device and insert into the patient's tissue. Please note that you can vary the angle of insertion to achieve the depth that you require. Remove the front section of the backing paper and adhere the tape to the patient's skin. Hold the front section of tape where it is secured to the patient's skin. Gently pull back on the blue slider until it reaches the end of travel. At this point, the needle is in its safe position and can be removed for disposal. Gently squeeze together the ends of the frame and pull the needle away from the infusion site. This can now be disposed of. Gently lift the back section of the tape and remove the paper covering, and then adhere this to the patient's skin surface. The device is now ready for use. Because of the very low priming volume of the catheter, it is not necessary to prime this part of the system. At this stage, it's important to choose the correct connection for the treatment anticipated. Currently, there are a choice of 3 different connections. The first is a very short tube connector with a needle-free port to allow you to do intermittent infusions. The second is a standard pump infusion line, which has a 100 centimeter length and can be connected to any standard syringe driver or infusion pump. And the third option is a standard infusion line with a side port attached to allow you to give extra medication as required during treatment. Once you've selected the appropriate device, it is important that it be primed according to local procedures. Once priming is complete, it can be connected to the catheter and treatment can commence.